Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I'll be replacing my brake light bulbs and my side marker light bulbs, and it's pretty simple, so I thought I would show you guys how to do it. You'll need the 7506 for the brake bulbs and the 2825 for the side markers and a socket, and that's pretty much all you need. So to access the light bulb, you first just undo this panel here and so you don't really need to take those 3 nuts out, but I noticed there's a dead buck. I'm gonna try to take that out. What the fuck? And there he is. While doing the brake lights, I remembered a video from Autopsy, and he said that the rear fog lights, from factory, the rear fog lights only work on the driver's side. But if you just put in a bulb on the passenger side as well, it'll work. I put another bulb in there as well. And there's both rear fog lights working. So thanks to Autopsy for this tip. So guys, there it is. All my brake lights and both rear fog lights are working. So thank you so much for watching again. I do have more interesting projects coming up, so please subscribe if you don't want to miss those. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.